Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now I want to show you some article about Bitcoin recovers as Bitcoin gaming sea has investment. Bitcoin finally saw some relief yesterday, topping out at around 22,500 as the S&P 500 climbed 1%. There is some renewed optimism that the worst of the liquidity crisis might be behind us after SBF's reassurance on Wednesday. The only Bitcoin bottom signal for me is persistence that's showing us that inflation is convincingly inflation down. This shows result is the Federal Reserve becoming less aggressive with their monetary policy and therefore provide confidence that the liquidity crisis in the crypto markets is over. The gaming industry is not surprised by the market's downturn as Animoca brands have continued to provide support for Bitcoin gaming projects is this bear market. Investing $62 million in a funding round for planetary labs. Other investors included Samsung Next and Planetarium Partners Forest Universe. The investment are also scientist giant Kakao and we made the producer of pay-to-earn game Mirror. Trading Putin issues morning, what of good awaits you as it is pursues prosecution of Russia in war course in Masris Alibaba Newspeak Evos first Maxus was weighed on Hong Kong stocks today. The planetarium labs gaming system is based on Leap Planet and software development kit that lets developers create Bitcoin application entirely on the Unity game development platform. Their CEO said, "Is this or multiple game sharing a single network? Each game runs its application-specific Bitcoin network and has the freedom to decide its governance and such to manage technologies such as enabling free to play. They are therefore attempting to build a community-driven Web3 game network which is decentralizes its nature." In addition, Convoy Venture and traditional gaming PC has entered the Bitcoin gaming space. They have raised 100 to 20 million for a new fund, and 20% to 30% will be acquisited through Bitcoin and crypto release game. Okay, games giants like Ubisoft and Square Enix have also talked about the importance of blockchains and in NFTs for the future of the gaming industry, and plan to integrate Bitcoin in the future. In my opinion, this shows how early we are in the Bitcoin gaming space. the infrastructure not being quality is most scarce. Okay, just enough. Thanks for watching. I'm so sorry for mistake. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, goodbye.